Welcome back to Lux Drive Garage, the channel where innovation, luxury, and performance converge to define the future of mobility. Today, we unveil something extraordinary, the upcoming 2026 Tesla bike. This is not just another electric motorcycle. It is Tesla's bold declaration that the thrill of two wheels can be redefined through the same DNA that has made their cars world-changing. With this machine, Tesla combines futuristic design, cutting-edge technology, and sustainable power in a package so sleek and commanding that it could only have come from the mind of Elon Musk's empire. Imagine the elegance of a hypercar, the efficiency of an EV, and the visceral freedom of a superbike, all fused into one. This is the Tesla bike, and tonight, we dive deep into every detail that makes it unlike anything you've ever seen. The exterior design of the 2026 Tesla bike is an instant conversation starter. Every line, every contour is sculpted with purpose, balancing aerodynamic efficiency with bold visual identity. The bodywork flows like liquid metal, finished in Tesla's signature palette of metallic silvers, midnight blacks, and pearl whites, accented with electric blue light traces embedded into the seams. The front fascia is dominated by a razor-sharp LED headlamp array, glowing with Tesla's futuristic signature that evokes both menace and elegance. Carbon fiber panels stretch across the frame, while seamless integration hides every bolt, giving the impression that the bike was carved from a single block of alloy. The wheels, inspired by Tesla's turbine design, feature illuminated rim accents, turning every motion into a rolling light show. Parked in a showroom or slicing down a boulevard, the Tesla bike projects dominance, elegance, and futuristic authority. Step closer and the aura intensifies. The paint itself is multi-layered, catching light differently from every angle. In direct sunlight, it gleams with a crystal-like depth, while under neon city lights it pulses with a futuristic glow. Tesla has deliberately blurred the line between vehicle and sculpture. Even the charging port has been designed as part of the aesthetic, tucked seamlessly into the body and glowing with a ring of light when active. This is not a motorcycle built to blend into traffic. It is a two-wheeled icon built to stand out in any environment, from Milan's fashion runways to the vast highways of California. The Tesla bike is not just a ride. It is a statement, an extension of its rider's ambition and presence. Move into the cockpit, and you realize that Tesla has reimagined the motorcycle rider's experience from the ground up. Instead of traditional dials, you are greeted by a full OLED panoramic display integrated directly into the handlebars. This screen projects navigation, performance metrics, real-time battery status, and even Tesla's famous autopilot assistance overlays. Gesture controls and voice activation replace traditional switches, allowing the rider to manage settings without distraction. Wrapped in premium vegan leather with metallic accents, the seat merges comfort and futuristic minimalism. Tesla didn't stop at basic ergonomics. The seat adapts, heating or cooling based on conditions, and reshaping slightly for either aggressive sports stance or long-distance touring comfort. For the rider, the cockpit is less about sitting on a motorcycle and more about being part of a living, intelligent machine. Technology integration is nothing short of extraordinary. Tesla has embedded the bike into its digital ecosystem, meaning your Tesla app seamlessly pairs with the machine. Unlock it with your phone, set climate and seat preferences remotely, even preload navigation before you arrive. The infotainment is unlike anything on two wheels. High-fidelity speakers hidden within the frame provide a personal surround sound system for the rider. Augmented reality integration in the optional Tesla Smart Visor projects navigation arrows and blind spot alerts directly into the rider's field of view. With real-time connectivity, over-the-air updates, and adaptive AI learning your riding style, the Tesla bike is not just smart, it evolves with you over time. But let's talk about what lies beneath. At the heart of the Tesla bike is a next-generation dual-motor electric drivetrain, delivering instant torque and a combined output of nearly 400 horsepower. That's hypercar-level power, but delivered with the smoothness and silence only Tesla can achieve. Torque vectoring distributes power with surgical precision, ensuring stability whether you're carving mountain passes or launching from a stoplight. The acceleration figures are staggering, 0 to 60 in under 2.1 seconds, making it one of the fastest production motorcycles ever envisioned. And yet, despite this ferocity, the Tesla bike remains astonishingly composed, embodying that signature Tesla philosophy: brutal speed balanced with intelligent control. The suspension system is fully adaptive, using AI to scan the road ahead and adjust damping in milliseconds. Whether it's the smooth marble of a highway or the unpredictability of city streets, the bike maintains poise. Tesla engineers have borrowed from their Plaid technology, ensuring energy regeneration not only when braking but also subtly when cornering, feeding back charge while stabilizing the machine mid-lean. The battery pack is built into the core frame, lowering the center of gravity and giving the rider the sensation of being locked to the ground. Handling is sharp, immediate, and intuitive, proving that electric doesn't mean compromise, it means evolution. Range anxiety is simply not part of the Tesla bike's vocabulary. With a projected range of over 350 miles on a single charge, it is designed to rival touring bikes, not just performance ones. And thanks to Tesla's ever-expanding supercharger network, a 15-minute stop can restore 80% of the battery. Charging isn't just functional, it's cinematic. As the bike connects, the wheels glow faintly, the Tesla emblem illuminates, and a subtle hum signals energy flowing into its veins. This is more than recharging. It's ritual, a futuristic refueling ceremony that reinforces Tesla's philosophy of blending function and drama. Pricing is where Tesla redefines the narrative. Early estimates place the 2026 Tesla bike between $80,000 and $120,000, depending on trim and options. For that investment, buyers aren't simply acquiring a motorcycle. They are entering an ecosystem of technology, sustainability, and luxury that no other manufacturer can replicate. This bike isn't for those who merely want to ride. It's for those who want to make a statement. For collectors, enthusiasts, and visionaries, it is the intersection of engineering brilliance and cultural relevance. In a world where every Tesla product becomes an icon, the Tesla bike is poised to take its place as the definitive electric motorcycle of the decade. The Tesla bike represents more than performance statistics or luxury features. It embodies a philosophy that the future of mobility doesn't need to choose between sustainability and exhilaration, between refinement and rebellion. It is a two-wheeled revolution, engineered to appeal not only to the heart but to the imagination. Tesla's cars redefined what we expect from EVs. The Tesla bike will do the same for motorcycles, shifting perceptions from niche electric experiments to aspirational lifestyle machines. It is a promise that the future of performance will not only be electric, it will be unforgettable. As we close this cinematic journey, one question remains. Are you ready to embrace the future of riding? The 2026 Tesla bike is not simply a machine. It is an experience, a statement, a declaration of how technology and artistry can merge to create something timeless. Thank you for joining us here at Lux Drive Garage, where we bring you closer to the most groundbreaking innovations on the road. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Tesla's vision of two-wheeled luxury, make sure to subscribe, because the future is accelerating, and we're here to ride it together.